Hello everybody. Today I show you how I fry peanuts. This is a 3 pounds of peanuts. And first I wash them and I soak in the water, warm water about 5 minutes. And I drain all the water out. And we rice again with the water, the sink water, and I put on the here and I fry them. At first I turn the oven, the stove high, and when this is hot, I lower to the medium. Look at this. When I fry them about 5 minutes, I add 1 teaspoon of sea sauce in here. So it's now on a medium, but it's kind of high, so I will lower to low medium. So that's about 1/3. Also, this is my new stove. They just delivered yesterday, and that's my first cooking on this stove. It's a brand new stove. You want to see the stove? It's not on high. I'm back. It's take a while to fry the peanuts, but you have to stir all the time, so to avoid it's burn and in the bottom. So at close to the end, I lower to after all, I lower to 1/4 of the the heating. So that's probably at low. Let me testing one of them, see what happened. Probably it's not yet, because I can see it's not yet. Because when it's ready, you just go like this and the skin just peel out. But now it's not, so that means it's not ready yet. I have to do a little more. That's kind of fun. Here you want to see my new stoves. They just delivered yesterday. They have a 3-second, and one is a big one, a second, the third one is a small one. If you want to cook the big pan, you can do the triple. If you cook the medium pan, turn to double. You want to cook a small pan, turn to single. They call that knob is 3 elements. I'm back. It's not done yet. It's close too. But it's like once again, I turn the heat, high and then go to medium and do the one third of the temperature circle, and then I turn to the quarter of the circle temperature. So that's right now I'm on the low heat. It's up to your stove because my new stove is very hot. Right now it's very hot. I just touch on the pan, I get burned here. It's hurt now. But my old stove, the 30 years old stove, is another difference. It's the heat. It's the difference, very big difference. This one hot fast, so it's up to your stove. You control the temperature up and down, but don't put the better way. Don't put too high, because too high is you will burn like this. Because at first I put too high, I didn't too long on the high. I didn't lower soon, so that's why it's burn right here. So I got burned here because I put on high too long. Also, I have to go to turn off the camera and I change the setting, all stuff I leave here without stirring. So it's burned on the bottom. So you have to stir like this most of the time to avoid it's burn under bottom, at the bottom. It's right now I can eat them. Okay, the reason why I soak them in the pile of warm water, because the peanuts too dry. In order they ship to us, to sell to us, and they store for a little long. They have to dry. The peanuts are very dry, and so I soak in the paper or the water. They make the peanuts kind of absorb some water. It's softer, so when you eat the peanut, they won't too dry to you. So you don't like most of the time. If you eat the peanuts, you have to bring a lot of water because it's dry and absorbs a lot of water. So I do this way. Hot is not. That's my first time soaking in the paper on the water. I have never done that. Drying peanut which soaked in the pail of water. That's my first time soaking the water. And see, so far taste is not bad. It's hot. It's really hot. Ooh. Oh no. Okay. it's done, I will record the last. I will tell you when it's done. Okay, it's done. The peanuts are cooked now, and look at. You can see when it's hot. Be careful, because it's hot. I have to do like this, and then when you will, and the skin just peel easily. That means that the peanuts is cooked. Okay, I can look at it. It's done. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Okay, now let me show you how to remove the dry peanut skin. Dry peanut skins. Okay. You have to flour it. If you don't want to blow them the skin, you can have a fan to blow it for you. if you have skill enough, you don't have to blow by your mouth. You can use like this. Let me see. I got it.